The last one, which is the Great Himalayan National Park, one of my favorites, May 6th to 14th. This is largely in search of Western Tragopan. We've got the stakeouts, we've got people who know where they are, and they've been erstwhile hunters, now guiding people and saving these birds. Sorry, the cost is mentioned in dollars. You have to convert it. $1,300 per person was a 9-day trek ex Chandigarh. So 1290 into 80. How much is it? Can somebody calculate that for me? 1290 into 80.
Just a moment, sir.
Huh?
Calculate कर रहा हूँ. Just a moment.
Yeah. So tour highlights will be trekking, knowledge sessions.
1,03,200.
Yeah, so about ₹100,000. So that's what it's going to cost, inclusive of GST. This is a bird that we are after, Western Tragopan, and this place is super rich with wildlife. The landscape has different kinds of temperate forest, and the hikes are moderate to difficult. Western Tragopan is not an easy bird to see, but it's not something that you won't see. You will see it, which is why we've taken that much time. And we go with the trackers who know the stakeouts pretty well. But you'd also be able to see monal, and you'd be able to see a whole lot of mountain goats, and you'd be able to see gaddis walking through. So, the nomadic tribe, which is now settling down in places and, finishing their old ways of sheep grazing in these high alpine meadows. You may find some Gujars up there with their buffaloes and their deras. So these nomadic tribes used to be responsible for bringing a lot of these medicinal plants, Ayurvedic herbal stuff from these high reaches, which is now getting more expensive because there are less and less people doing it. So it's a very interesting area to go to. It's got meadows and trees and forests, streams, very extremely rich habitats, and it's a national park, one of the largest Himalayan national parks we have in India. You'll enjoy being here. And last is this Mr. Monal, which is easy to see in that landscape. So friend, I hope you enjoyed this session of ours, and feel free to get in touch with us for any questions you've got. In the meantime, I'll stop recording now.